लफवाजी तो बहुत सारे उसमें हैं, मगर इन्होंने बड़ी प्रैक्टिकल बातें की और मुझे तो अच्छी लग रही है इनमें से बहुत सारी बातें।
इसमें मैं ऐसे ऑन अ लाइटर नोट ऐड कर
वो अगर मैं ये भी अब देखिए, ये आप देखिए माय लॉर्ड एक और पॉइंट कह दिया विदाउट रियलाइजिंग इट, दैट इज द इंटिमिडेशन फ्रॉम विद इन. How dare a district judge write to the chief justice of the High Court? So there देखें, ये जो आप कह रहे हैं ना बाहर की एजेंसी को, ये भी तो एक इंटिमिडेटरी टैक्टिक हो गया ना कि आप तक बात ही नहीं, अब अर्ज भी नहीं कर सकते हैं.
पर ऑन अ लाइटर नोट बलूचिस्तान की डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशरी ने जवाब नहीं भेजा.
And again
पंजाब से ही आया.
इसका मतलब है वहाँ बलूचिस्तान से नहीं आया, इसका मतलब है बलूचिस्तान में इंटरफेरेंस नहीं है. और दूसरी बात, इसका एक और भी इंप्रेशन है कि बलूचिस्तान के जजेस को मालूम है कि अगर कोई इंटरफेरेंस है तो उसको रिपेल कैसे करना है.
नहीं, लर्नड अटॉर्नी जनरल और ये लर्नड अटॉर्नी जनरल अगेन ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, जो बलूचिस्तान का आई फाउंड द रिस्पॉन्स मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग. उन्होंने मार्टिन लूथर किंग और अकबर अल आबादी के शेर से पहले सब कुछ कह दिया है.
सिंध कर लें, इसकी लाहौर हो गया,
बगैर कुछ कहने के वो सब कुछ कह गए. एंड दैट इज द फियर इज ऑफ द स्टेट. The state is to protect independence of judiciary. There has been a partnership between the judiciary and establishment for the past 76 years. That culture continues. That is what
I don't know. At least there's no culture here. So let's not condemn everybody if we condemn everybody, we condemn nobody. I absolutely do not subscribe to that theory. If there was any interference in my work and if I could not withstand the pressure,
yes,
I would go home.
Yes.
Sorry, please. I will not accept this statement. I've been a judge, Baloochistan Chief Justice, for 5 years and 1 month. Please find out from the people of Baloochistan how much interference there was and whether it was accepted. Since I've been a judge here, I have fought for the independence of the judiciary from within, and the greatest threat of the independence of the judiciary was from the Supreme Court, not from outside. In my opinion, I've lived through it, I've experienced it. So these are not empty words. Please do not include me in the 76 years of Pakistan's history, and there are many such persons who should not be included. Let's condemn those who require condemnation. Let's not condemn all and thereby save all. If there has been wrongdoing, point it out. This is wrong, this is correct.
My lord is absolutely right. I haven't condemned all. There have been exceptions. I've also served in 2018, and no one could influence my court. For 4 years as Chief Justice, nobody could dare influence a single judge, not just me. And the judgments of Islamabad High Court speak for themselves.
तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ
हाई कोर्ट का सिंध का बढ़ते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं, चले we are detracting a bit. Sorry.
इसका मतलब ये हुआ, एजी साहब सुने जरा, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमारा कल्चर ऐसा है कि लोग कोशिश करते हैं इंटरफेरेंस की, कहाँ कामयाब होते हैं कहाँ नहीं होते, डिपेंड्स अपॉन द जज.
उसी के लिए कह रहे हैं इंस्टीट्यूशनल अब एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है उसको.
ये बात तो अभी I probably speak for everybody on the bench that nobody ever received any interference. मेरे आज तक के काम में I never received any. There has been no interference in the work that I've done so far. But this is telling us that there is something happening somewhere. So it doesn't mean that it's happened to me personally, but it's happening to the system, in that system that you want to fix.
My opinion is that those who cannot withstand the pressure, they should not sit on these chairs. इतना आप में कैरेक्टर हो कि आप फेस करें.
With great respect, the pressure is always there. The culture of this institution is there. It is for courageous judges to stand up and not be bothered.
And not make complaints.
And it's not just, you see, again I will emphasize. The problem is the state and the state organs. When they become aggressive against the judges, जो जस्टिस बाबर के साथ सतार के साथ पिछले कुछ दिनों में हुआ है, that is what happens.
ये क्या उनका ये कसूर था? ये उनका कसूर था कि इन्होंने शिकायत की. एजी साहब, क्या उन 6 जजेस का ये कसूर था कि इन्होंने शिकायत की? शिकायत करने वाले के साथ ये हो रहा है, और अगर हम स्टैंड लेंगे तो उनके साथ क्या होगा? सोचें जरा.
And the high courts are confirming that is the culture of this institution.
My lord, all the more reason कि आपका एक institutional response आ रहा है वो और ये जो अभी तक मैंने पढ़ा है
अच्छा मेरे ख्याल में देखिए अटॉर्नी जनरल
I'll read out Balochistan से
नो
पेशावर का पढ़ लें पेशावर का पढ़ लें
पेशावर तो वो कहते हैं एग्जैक्टली
पेशावर का पढ़ेंगे जरा
I think you start with page 2 शुरू में तो ऐसे ही
जी
at this juncture CTT वगैरह
और ये भी देखे ना इसमें एक चीज जरा डिस्टिंक्शंस दिमाग में रखते जाएं देयर आर नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग देयर कुड बी अ थ्रेट परसेप्शन देयर कुड बी अ थ्रेट देयर कुड बी इंटरफेरेंस जज माइट नॉट succumb to it but there is pressure yes प्लीज इसको जरा डिस्टिंक्शन रखें एक है कि किसी को टच ही नहीं करते बिकॉज दे नो इसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता किसी को ट्राई करे टच करे एंड ही डज नॉट succumb but there is constant pressure on his mind but he's still not succumbing to it and there could be others who we don't know so इसलिए ये पढ़ेंगे तो ये आपको पेशावर से भी पता चलता है
ये अगर गौर से पढ़ेंगे दिस अलार्मिंग जो उन्होंने बातें
ये बहुत सीरियस है
बहुत सीरियस
पढ़े जरा
ये मैं you'd have
आप
me
इस तरह
read out
करें
from
इधर पेज 2 से पढ़ें उधर से शुरू होता है सारा
page 2 से है Similarly, the Supreme Judicial Council has the mandate under Article 209, Clause 8 of the Constitution to issue a code of conduct to be observed by judges of the Supreme Court and of the High Courts. The latest instrument in this regard issued by the Council is a notification dated 2009, which was amended by the notification dated 4/3/2024 code. The code does not envisage any role of the Chief Justice of the respective High Courts to ensure alleviating the apprehension or complaint of any judge of the High Court when he receives any threat or influence from the executive or any organ of the executive relating to his judicial functions. Interference in the politics, functioning of Parliament and the judicial working of the superior judiciary by the executive organs of the state is an open secret. Some of the participants, judges, have expressed and shared the trauma which they underwent due to interference by the intelligence agencies when some political cases came up for hearing before the bench, which was presided over by them. They have also complained about the direct approach to them by the members of intelligence agencies seeking favor in decision of political cases. However, when the matter was decided impartially, they received light threats through non-state actors from the neighboring country Afghanistan. The matter was also discussed with the Counter-Terrorism Department with no progress. Similarly, this fact was also brought into the notice of all concerned at the highest level.
What do you say about this?
This is alarming. This is
very alarming.
आगे पढ़ें
Yeah. Very.
नहीं you can't देखे ना
Not only just alarming.
आगे पढ़ लेते हैं ना let's finish it otherwise we'll never finish the proceedings जी आगे
At this juncture, we may refer to the judgments of the Apex Court in the case of Asghar Khan and Sumoto case number 7.
आगे उन्होंने सिर्फ
नहीं
जजमेंट
नहीं पढ़ने देना